Hello, how you doing? This is Edward and Nita.
Hello.
We're trying out some new place. It's called BuchogKo Chrispy Pata. They're on Messenger, on Facebook, or if you want to call to try. From what we hear, it's really good, very delicious, masarap. So we're going to try it out today, first time trying. If you want to call them, they're at 0975-685-7390 here in Porac Pampanga. So let's give it a try. Why don't you try the skin? Let's give it a try here. See if you can see it.
See that skin? Oh boy. Oh no. It is so crispy. And it is good.
I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah, it's so good.
Very, very good. If you've ever had crispy pata before, this is the best of the best.
Go eat, honey.
Let me try. Wow, it's very crunchy, huh?
Usually I don't eat pig, but this one, I eat it. It is so good.
Oh man, seasoned, perfect. Man, that's good. Wow. Now that is good.
Yeah.
Super masala.
I'm gonna start eating pork with that kind.
Wow, look at this meat. A lot of meat on it.
You want to get a knife? You don't need a knife, just stand there.
Look at the meat.
Yeah.
My God, so good, so good. I'm gonna try to take a bite of
No,
meat.
I have beef.
It's done perfect. Wow, my God, so good. Give them a try. BuchogKo Chrispy Pata. If you order in the afternoon, most likely you could have it that evening for dinner. The reason they do that is because it's so good, they probably sell out every evening. So give them a try today. How much is it?
$5.50.
They have $5.50, which is the bigger piece. I guess it goes by weight, and then $4.40 or $4.50 for the little bit smaller size. Give them a try today. This is so delicious. If you like pork meat and crispy skin, BuchogKo, best place here in Porac. My God, so delicious. Wow, I'm still eating. The skin is crunchy. Here, try the meat. Come on, take a bite. Wow, look at that white meat. Wow, so good. Give them a call today. Find them on Messenger and tell them New Media Pampanga Kapapangan Live sent you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes coming to you very soon. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe and please share on Facebook or social media. Thank you. Have a good day. Say goodbye, Nita.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.